Yeah, so my name is Benny. I'm a software developer, work for a company called Humblebee in Gothenburg. And I'm going to talk about the time a friend and I got 800 people to make a website. So it started 4 years ago, 2018. It was October, and October means Hacktoberfest. And if you don't know what Hacktoberfest is, it's 1 month-long celebration of open source and the open source community. It simply means you make 3 pull requests to an open source project and you get a free t-shirt. People on the internet really like free t-shirts, and I guess that's the reason most people are here, like free stuff. So we thought, okay, let's make a project, like let's make a website people could contribute to. That could be fun, and it looks terrible, and it's supposed to, because it's just HTML and some CSS. We didn't want any build steps, we didn't want any installation. We wanted you to open the HTML file and it should work. And we put some instructions there, like how to make a pull request, how to solve a merge conflict, and some rules. But generally, people could contribute to this website and do almost whatever they want to. And we woke up the 1st of October, and we had like hundreds of pull requests, and we had to spend so much time going through them all, merging them, and the merge conflicts was crazy. And people started styling the website, moving things around, adding a lot of helpful resources, like links to other projects and other good stuff. They're starting adding new features, like a countdown of Hacktoberfest, and starting to fetch data from the GitHub API to see how the repository was doing. And we kept hitting the rate limit on the API, so that's why it says commits, not a number. And after 1 month, we managed to get 397 stars on a GitHub repository, which is a personal record, so for me it was really fun. We closed 171 issues. We had 821 contributors, and we manually closed 1,571 pull requests. Yeah, it was a lot of work. So it was a lot of work. It was terrible, but it was also really, really fun because people added crazy things, like the snake game, just made in JavaScript, because one of the rules was you cannot have any build steps. Now add any build steps. Someone added a button who just started to twisting all the videos, and a button who just inverted the colors. So this was like Hacktober 4 years ago. I don't know if anyone contributed this year, but there's a little bit more rules and a little bit more structure now. So I went back to the website to see what it's all about now. And it says, participating in Hacktoberfest leads to personal growth, professional opportunities, and community building. But it all begins with a meaningful contributions to open source software. And this is from their official website. And I highlighted meaningful contributions because 4 years ago to our project, someone added their version of Flappy Bird. But my personal favorite, I think, was when someone added a huge image of a kladdkaka. And I don't know what was like the most weird, that this huge PNG image of a chocolate cake, or that after a few commits, it kind of just disappeared. But then after even more commits, it reappeared again, but this time together with bacon. And yeah, I mean, bacon doesn't even go with chocolate cake, so I don't know. But people were allowed to do almost whatever they want to. And in the end, we got this time lapse. We made a script to go through all the commits and take a print screen of the start page. And it was quite amazing to see like every commit, like doing a little bit, doing small changes to the website. And in the end, we got like this huge monster of I don't know what. But I think the most amazing part of the whole thing is like after all these contributors, after all these merge conflicts and things breaking all the time because we weren't really that good at code reviewing things or testing it, we just merged it. But we just made a pull request. 20 minutes later, we just made an issue, and then 20 minutes later, we just had like 5 pull requests solving the same issue. And after all that, what amazed me was that the website actually was quite mobile friendly. Didn't expect that, and that's all I have to show. And it was really fun, and it was just a project I wanted to share. So thanks for listening, and hope you enjoy the rest of your conference.